What's up everyone, welcome to another unboxing and honest review video. This is Doogee S59 Pro. Yeah, this is another rugged smartphone from Doogee. If you are a subscriber, then you know that I have done an honest review and unboxing video of Doogee S96 Pro with a night vision camera, and this one is also pretty special. This one also have some special features. We will talk about those. But first of all, I'm thankful to Doogee that they have sent this product 1 month ahead of the release. And I have been using this product for quite a long time now. So I think it's a good time to share my honest review, but let's start with unboxing. Actually, on top of the box, you can see it says IP68 rated. It is waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. And what attracted me at a glance is this 10,050 mAh battery. The box looks nice. It's simple, simplicity is in everywhere. And after opening the lid or the top of the box, you will see another small box, and as usual there is this giveaway and promotion material from Doogee, limited warranty card. There is a very good user manual, and when I've done that Doogee S96 Pro review and unboxing video, I have found that Doogee actually provides one of the best user manual. They have printed everything, and it also comes with a screen protector. And you have all the tools you need to put this screen protector on top of the smartphone. Nothing else in this. And then there is this Doogee S59 Pro. Let's put the phone aside for a while. Inside the box there is a SIM ejector tool. Yeah, this is a SIM ejector tool. Underneath the SIM ejector tool there is a charging cable. This one is a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. There is also a strap. This is a bit unusual for this heavy smartphone, but this charging cable is really a good one. And there is a 18-watt charger for a 10,050 mAh battery. Some may feel like a 18-watt charger is a bit slow, but usually people charge overnight for this type of big smartphones, big battery smartphones. So I don't think that would be a problem, and I really have never felt like I'm running out of battery, because I usually charge in every 2 days and it's always almost full. Okay, let's unwrap this Doogee S59 Pro. It clearly says IP68, there is NFC and a lot of other logos. What I like most about this smartphone is its camera. This one comes with an old sensor, but the way they have implemented this, you get some quite good performance. I mean, camera performance is quite good. Okay, let me show you how to use this SIM ejector tool. It's a bit different than other smartphones. Yeah, there is a micro SD card slot, so you can expand your memory. Now at a glance, there is nothing to say it's lucrative, because this is actually a rugged smartphone and the usage scenario of this is different. Also, I must mention that this one comes with a very big loudspeaker. Yeah, there is some sort of distortion if you go full loud, or at full volume there is some sort of distortion, but it offers pretty loud sound. And quality is not that bad, it's above average. If you are fond of a 3.5mm port, then yeah, there is a 3.5mm port, and the way it's covered, it feels like it comes with a protective case. Yeah, this one is really protected. Yeah, this one comes with a 720p HD resolution display, and there is a notch. I really don't know why this one have a notch, because there is a very big chin at the bottom, very big bezel on top, and at the side there are really big bezels. Then why they have to put the front camera in a notch? They could have easily put it anywhere inside this bezel. If you ask me, then yeah, that's my only regret. Okay, for a $139 budget smartphone, 720p display is not that bad, but the performance of this 720p display is really not that good. I mean, there are other 720p HD display panels, and those are a little bit better than this one. The performance of this Helio P22 is really pretty basic. You can only do basic things. Yeah, you can play games. I cannot say you cannot play any games, but you cannot play those exciting and heavy games. This one comes with only 4GB of RAM, and that's another issue. And as I have mentioned earlier, MediaTek Helio P22 is not for gaming. As I mentioned earlier, the battery, that 10,050 mAh battery, which really made me feel crazy, and the performance is amazing. I don't have to charge this one for almost 5 to 7 days. Now think rationally. Battery performance is good because you cannot burn the battery by playing games or recording videos or taking photos or watching HD content. Once again, if you need, this one is for a specific group of people. So if you are really looking for a rugged smartphone within a low budget, then this one is a very good one. But if you can afford, you should go for the bigger brother of this, Doogee S59 Pro. There is another Doogee S96 Pro, and I will definitely recommend that one more than this one. Hopefully this video helped you to decide, and if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.